Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this video, I want to show you some tips and tricks on navigating through my brand new website. Okay, there are lots of new features to the website and all of them really involve having an account. So let's go over setting up account first. When you create an account on the Kristin Omdahl website, there are so many wonderful benefits. There is a sidebar, vertical navigation along with the central buttons. Notice you can track your orders, access your downloads, manage your gift cards, preferred shipping addresses, payment methods, reward points, wait lists, and wish lists. And we'll get to all of these amazing features. But the most important thing to do is to set up your account so you can get all of these amazing benefits. And how we do that is by going up here, the top right hand corner to the login button. When you click that button, you will have the option to register. You want to enter your email address here in the register field and hit register. When you do, a password will be sent to your email address. Remember, this is a brand new website, so even if you had an account on the old website, you will need to make a new account for this new website. We will never share your email address anywhere else in the entire world, and you can find out more about that on our privacy policy. So then you want to click that register button. An email will be sent to you with a temporary password. Once you get that, you can click over here and come to log in. You would enter that same email address and that temporary password and log in. If you would like to change it to something else that you can easily remember, you will have that option in your account, or you can save it to your devices. So once you have your account and you're logged in, you will also see that there is a reward points program. You can earn 1 point for every dollar you spend in the Kristin Omdahl store. You must be logged into your account in order for your points to be applied to your account during each transaction. Once you accrue points in your account, you can apply them toward future orders for discounts. So let's go back to products now so you can see what I mean. Let's click on this book here that's $29.99 and notice what it says here. Purchase this product now and you will earn 30 points. So if something is 99 cents, we have it round up to the nearest dollar. So this particular purchase would earn you 30 points in your account. How awesome is that, right? Okay, the next really exciting thing I want to show you is that we have a digital product library now. So notice on your account dashboard here, we have a section called downloads. That's where every time you purchase a digital product, whether it's a knitting pattern, a crochet pattern, or an ebook, you will have access to them at all times in your download library. Obviously, you can save the PDFs to your devices just like you always have, but in addition to that, you will have this download library in your account. This only works if you've made your purchases while logged into your account. And then when you go into your account, you have them there. You will have unlimited around-the-clock access to your entire library of digital products in this download area of your account. You can access them as often as you like, even if you don't want to save them to your devices, although I recommend you do that for convenience as well. I'm so excited to share this feature with you, and I know you're going to love it. Because I know you're probably excited to fill your download library, I'm offering a 75% off coupon for all digital knit patterns, all digital crochet patterns, and all digital ebooks for the entire month. Please use coupon code 5JAJ469C. I'll have that code linked in the video description so that you can copy and paste it, or you can also go to the most recent blog post on my website to copy and paste this code as well. And you'll want to use that coupon code at checkout to receive 75% off digital product sales. This discount expires February 28th, 2021. The 75% coupon code does not apply with additional discounts or coupons. All products related to the brand new book, 24 Crochet Hats, the ebook, and the single crochet patterns are excluded from this promotion, but there are hundreds and hundreds of other patterns for you to use this for. There is no limit. You can buy as many of the patterns and ebooks as you like with that 75% off coupon code. So happy shopping and how fun to fill up your download library. Watch the rest of the short videos in this playlist as I take a deep dive into each of these sections on the new website. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.